Welcome students. Today I am going to teach you the examples of problem set 1 of the chapter set. First example, choose the correct alternative answers for each of the following questions. You have to give one questions and you have to give one four options and you have to choose a correct alternative. First example is m is equal to 135, n is equal to 246. Then find m intersection n. M intersection n means the set of all the common elements in m and n. And common elements in m and n are 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. There is no common element in both. That means there is no element in the set M intersection N, and that means it is a empty set that is denoted by phi, and therefore our correct alternative is C, and therefore alternative is C, that is phi. Then second example, P is the set of x such that x is an odd natural number and x is greater than 1, less or equal to 5. That means the element of the set P are odd number between 1 to 5 including 5. That there is only two odd numbers in between 1 to 5 including 5 is 3 and 5. And therefore the correct alternative is D, because 3 and 5 are the odd numbers in between 1 to 5 including 5, and therefore our correct alternative is D. Then next, P is the set of 1 to dash 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 10. What type of the set P is? 1 to dash 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 10. That is, there are total 10 elements are given in the set P. That means the number of elements can be counted in set P, and the set in which the number of elements are can be counted and limited, then the set is finite set, and therefore our correct alternative is C, that is the finite set. Then fourth example is M union N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and M set is given 1 to 4. Then we have to write the set N. We have to choose the correct alternative which represent the set N. M union N, that is set of all the elements in M and N. In M is given 1 to 4. That means in N we have to choose 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 3, 4, 5, 6, and therefore correct alternative is 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct alternative is B, because in C and D 3 is not given. In A 1 to 3 is given, but 4, 5, 6 is not given, and therefore the correct alternative is 3, 4, 5, 6, that is B. Now if M subset M, then which of the following set represents intersection P union M? Now we have to give one P subset M. That means every element of set P is the element of M. For example, suppose we take P is the set 1 and M is the set 1, 2. That is, every element of set P is in M. Then we find P union M. P union M we get 1, 2. All the elements in set P and M. Then we have to find P intersection P union M. That is P set and P union M. From this we have to write the set of common elements, and common element is only 1. And common element is only 1, and which is given by P set, and therefore our correct alternative is P. Then next, sixth example is given. Which of the following set are empty set? Set of intersecting points of parallel line, set of even prime numbers, set of month of an English calendar having less than 30 days, and P is the set of x such that x belongs to the integer number, which is x, in which x is greater than -1 and less than 1. Now set of intersecting points of parallel lines. Suppose these are the two parallel lines, and you already know that there is no intersecting point in between two parallel lines. That means the set of common intersecting points of two parallel lines is an empty set, and therefore our option is A, that is set of intersecting of the two parallel lines. And this is the first example of the problem set 1. Next example is find the correct option for the given questions. Which of the following question is a set? Colors of the rainbow, tall trees in the school campus, rich people in the village, and easy examples in the book. We have to write which is the collection is a set. Which of the following collection is a set? Colors of the rainbow. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. That means it is a collection of colors of the rainbow, and therefore our option is A, colors of the rainbow, because in all these three options, tall trees in the school campus, rich people in the village, easy examples in the book, we cannot collect the correct objects in that all these three cases. And but in rainbow, colors of the rainbow, there are 7 perfect. We can know which are the 7 colors of the rainbow, and therefore it is a collection of set. Therefore option is A. Then second, which of the following set represent n intersection W? What is mean by n? N means natural number. That is the n is the set of 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash, and W means set of whole numbers which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash, and we have to write the set of n intersection W. That means we have to write the set of the common elements in n and W, and there are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These are the collection of the common elements, that is the n intersection W. That means our option is 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash, and which is option A, and therefore correct option is A. Then third, P is the set of X such that X is a letter of the word India. Then which of the following set P in the listing form? We have to write the set P in listing form, and in this set P, objects we have to find I and D A, and we have to write the objects at once only which are repeated. I is repeated, and therefore we have to write I only at once time, and therefore our correct option is I and D A. I and D A, and which is given in B option, I and D A, and therefore our correct option is B. Correct alternative is B. Then fourth is, if T is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and M is 3, 4, 7, 8, then you have to write T union M. T union M, that is you have to write all the elements in set T and set M, and repeated elements are written at once time only, and 3 is repeated, 4 is repeated. Therefore our correct option is T union M is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8, which is given in option C. Therefore our correct option is C, which is the set of T union M. Next example is 70 trees were planted by Parth and 90 trees were planted by Pradnya on the occasion of tree plantation week. Out of these, 25 trees were planted by both of them together. Then find how many trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya. For that, we consider A be the set of trees, number of trees planted by the Parth. Now Parth planted the 70 trees, and therefore number of A is given 70. We consider B is the set of number of trees planted by Pradnya, and which is given 90. Therefore number of B is equal to 90. We consider A intersection B as the set of number of plants planted by both, and 25 trees were planted by both, which is given. Therefore number of A intersection B is given 25. Now A union B we consider as the set of number of trees planted by Parth or Pradnya, which is we have to find, and therefore that means we have to find number of A union B. For that we take the relation number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now number of A is given 70, B is given 90, minus number of A intersection B is given 25. Addition of 70 plus 90, that is 160. 160 minus 25, that is 135. That means number of A union B is given 130. We find 135. That is the number of 135 trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya, and therefore here we write 135 trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya, and which we have to find. A, we consider A is the set of trees planted by Parth, which is given 70, therefore number of A is 70. B is the set of trees planted by Pradnya, which is given 90, therefore number of B is 90. We consider A intersection B as the set of number of trees planted by both, which is given 25, therefore number of A intersection B is 25. A union B is this, we consider set of number of trees planted by Parth or Pradnya, which we have to find. Therefore, we use the relation number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now putting the value 70 plus 90 minus 25, and on solving we get 135. That means 135 trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya, which we have to find. Next example is, out of 100 persons in a group, 72 persons speak English, 43 persons speak French. Each one of the out of 100 persons speak at least one language. Then how many speak only English and how many speak only French? How many speak English and French both? Now we consider, let A be the set of persons who speak English, and the number of persons speaks English is given 72. That means number of A is given 72. B is the set of persons speak French, and which number is given 43, and therefore number of B is equal to 43. A union B is the set of persons speak at least one of the language, and we have to give each one out of 100 persons speak at least one language, and therefore number of A union B is given 100. Now we consider A intersection B as the set of persons speaks both language, which we have to find. That means we have to find number of A intersection B. And then to find the number of persons who speak only English, we have to take the subtraction of set of persons speak English and set of persons which speak at least one language. Then A union B. Firstly, we use the formula number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Number of A union B is given 100, number of A is given 72, number of B is given 43, and number of A intersection B we have to find. 100 is equal to addition of both 115 minus number of A intersection B, and therefore number of A intersection B is equal to minus gets plus and plus 100 gets converted to minus, that is 100 and minus 15 minus 100, and that is the value of that subtraction is 15, that is number of A intersection B is equal to 15, that we have to find. And what is we find now? 15 is the number of persons, 15 persons speak both the languages, both languages. Then we have to find the number of persons who speak only English. That means how we find? A is the set of persons who speak English, and then we have to find this number of persons who speak only English. That means number of persons speak only English. How we find? Number of persons who speak English minus number of persons who speak both the languages. Both means English and French, and therefore we find this by using the formula number of A minus number of A intersection B. That means number of A is given, number of A is given 72 minus number of A intersection B we find 15, and subtraction of this 72 minus 15, 12 minus 5 7, 6 minus 1 5, that is 57. That is 57 persons speak only English. Then number of persons speak only French. B is the set of persons who speak French, and therefore number of B minus number of A intersection B, that means number of persons who speak both the language, and therefore number of B is given 43 and minus 15, and 43 minus 15, that is 13 minus 5 8, 3 minus 1 2, that is 28 persons speak only French. Again we see this, A is the set of persons who speak English, which is given number of A 72. B is the set of persons who speak French, that is given 43. Therefore number of B is equal to 43. A union B, we take set of persons at least speak at least one language, that is number of A union B is given 100. Then A intersection B is the set of persons speaks both the language, that is number of A intersection B we have to find. Then we use the relation number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Number of A union B is given 100 is equal to number of A, that is 72, number of B, that is 43, minus number of A intersection B we have to find. Addition of both is 115. This minus gets plus and 100 plus gets converted to minus, that is number of A intersection B is equal to 115 minus 100, that is 15. 15 means set 15, therefore 15 persons speak both the languages. Then we have to find number of persons who speak only English. A means number of persons speak English, and A intersection B means number of persons who speak both the language. We take the subtraction of both, 72 minus 50, 57. Then number of persons speak only French. Number of B minus number of A intersection B, 43 minus 15, and 43 minus 15, that is 28, and which we have to find. Next example is given, if number of A is equal to 20, number of B is equal to 28, number of A union B is given 36, find number of A intersection B. Now number of A union B is given 36, number of A is given 20, and number of B is given 28. Therefore in relation number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. In this relation we put the values. Then 36 is equal to addition of both is 58 minus number of A intersection B. This to find the number of A intersection B, minus gets converted to plus, and plus 36 gets converted to minus. That is number of A intersection B is equal to 22, and which we have to find. Most easiest example.